If you are wondering how long does the battery last on OnePlus 15, then let me quickly answer the question for you. Of course, the time that we can get out of a single charge on OnePlus 15 depends on many things, such as what features you have enabled and what you actually do on your phone, but the average time is approximately 23 hours if we consider a little bit of everything, a little bit of calling, a little bit of browsing the websites, different websites, a little bit of watching videos, and a little bit of playing games. In this case, you should be able to get roughly 23 hours, maybe even more if you, for example, don't play games at all, let's say. And if we just consider calling, let's say if you just use your phone for calling, then you should get roughly 39 hours or so. If you use your phone just for browsing the web, then you will get almost 22 hours, more or less. And for watching videos, you should get almost 33 hours. And for playing games, you should get like 13 hours or so. So of course, you can mix these times together and you can try to, calculate what would be your estimate time. But like I said, also different features also have an impact on the lifespan of a battery. So for example, using the mobile data, location, NFC, Wi-Fi, etc. These things also have an impact if you use, for example, the dark mode or not, if you use 165 Hz all the time, and so on and so forth. So you just have to keep that in mind, that whatever you do, of course, has an impact, and it can impact more or less on the battery. But like I said, the average time should be approximately 23 hours, which is a really, really good time for a flagship model. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.